Hi, so fam, come learn how to draft this 3-in-1 sleeve. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we'll be learning how to draft this 3-in-1 sleeve. So ensure you divide it in the middle by the elbow side like so, then you number it 1 to 2. Okay, so please subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the notification and tab. So what we are going to do, we are going to slash it through that elbow. We are going to cut that out. Okay, so the first one will be for the balloon sleeve, while the second one is for the straight sleeve. So I'll cut out the front sleeve. This is the front sleeve. I'll cut that out and notch it. So please, if you have any question, you can comment down in the comment section. And please help us share this tutorial to your friend, to your sewing friend, so that you can see and learn something from the tutorial. So what you do is fold it and you notch the middle part of our sleeve. So what we are going to do, we are going to number it. Okay, so I'm going to slash the middle with my French curve, slash it, then you're going to be measuring it, you are going to number it, number the sleeve. So I've already slashed, so I've already numbered it, I've cut it out. So what I'll do is I'll fold my fabric into two like so. I'll fold it, then I'll put the cut out sleeve pattern. Okay, so I'm going to pin that down. So I'm going to start from the number 6. So I'm going to spread it out evenly and pin that down like so. Okay, so you can fold a long piece of fabric. You see, I've already pinned that on my sleeve so that it can be able to stay. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to, in between those lines, I'm going to measure like 2 inches. Okay, so if you want your balloon sleeve to be fuller, you can measure 4 inches, 5 inches if you have enough fabric for the balloon sleeve. So I've already measured 2 inches in between. Okay, so then I'll add my seam allowance. So you see me extending it in an A-shaped line like so. So then I'm going to add ½ inch for joining allowance, because I'm going to join it with my straight sleeve. ½ inch, I'm going to mark it out like so. I'm also going to mark it on the sleeve edge. So now then you can cut out your sleeve pattern. So ensure that your scissors are sharp. So you cut carefully like so. So after you cut that out, we are going to remove our pattern piece and keep it. Store the pattern piece in case you need it in the next. If you want to draft another balloon sleeve, no need of you starting from scratch to draft a balloon sleeve pattern. You can actually use this so far it's your own measure. So I'm going to fold my velvet fabric. This is the second sleeve, the velvet fabric. I'm going to add my seam allowance. I know velvet fabric is stretchy, so I am not adding any seam allowances at the side. I'm only adding allowances to where I'm going to attach the sleeve. Okay, so that's I'm adding my allowances. So I'm going to trace that out. And any question, please ask in the comment section. And please share this tutorial and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It is free. So I'm going to cut out the straight sleeve. So here is my sleeve pattern. I cut it 4 because I'm using for the fabric and the lining. So that is 2 for one sleeve, the other 2 for the second sleeve. I hope you understand. So you fold your fabric for the second sleeve, fold your fabric into 2, then you fold it into 2 again. So that's making it 4. Okay. Then you are going to divide your sleeve round, okay, by 6.28. For example, if your sleeve round is 10 inches round, you divide it by 6.28, it will give us 1.5 of 1 inches. Okay, so I've already divided my sleeve round. So I'm going to mark the figure. So I'm taking my measurements like so. Okay, you take your measurements, then you mark it all round like so. You pivot your tape measurements. So we are marking the first radius of our sleeve. You can trace out connect the lines with your French curve to give you that curvy lines. Then you mark your full length of your sleeve. Okay, this length depend on if you want your circle sleeve to be longer, so the length automatically will be longer. So if you want your sleeve round to be short, it depends on your preference. Okay, so I mark 5 inches as my sleeve length for my circle sleeve. So I'm using my French curve to connect the sleeve length like so. So our circle sleeve is ready. Stay tuned to see the sewing part of this sleeve tutorial. So please don't miss it. Ensure that you turn on the notification tab. I'll be posting this sleeve tutorial, the sewing of this 3-in-1 sleeve. That is the balloon and the straight and the circle sleeve in one. I hope this tutorial was helpful. So let me know in the comment section if you find this tutorial class helpful, and please don't forget to share this so that so your sew friends can see and learn from this amazing tutorial. So see you in the next video. I am Delicious Favor, your online sewing tutor and your sew companion. Do have a great day so far.